आदाब। वीडियोकॉन जीना इसी का नाम है। मैं आइए आज एक आज एक इंटरेस्टिंग शख्सियत से मुलाकात करते हैं और उनसे पूछते हैं कि भाई जो आप करते हो वो तो खैर बहुत ही अच्छा करते हो, लेकिन वो सारी चीज़ें भी क्यों नहीं करते जो हमें यकीन है कि आप बहुत अच्छी कर सकते हो। मिसाल के तौर पे डांस आप बेहद अच्छा करते हो, सारी दुनिया आप जानती है और मानती है। डांस की ट्रेनिंग आप बहुत अच्छी देते हो, कोरियोग्राफी आप बहुत अच्छी करते हो, लेकिन आप एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं करते? अच्छे खासे खूबसूरत इंसान हैं। आप गाना क्यों नहीं गाते हैं? आपका गला भी अच्छा है, लेकिन हम और आप ये बातें क्यों कर रहे हैं? क्यों ना हम शामक डावर से बुला के पूछेंगे ये सारी चीज़ें क्यों नहीं करते? शामक डावर साहब प्लीज़ आइए। शामक, मैं कुछ अपने दोस्तों से, ऑडियंस से शिकायत कर रहा था कि आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ कि आप डांस तो बहुत ही अच्छा करते हैं, सिखाते भी बहुत अच्छा हैं, लेकिन आप एक्टिंग क्यों नहीं करते? आप गाने क्यों नहीं गाते? ये सारे सवाल आपसे पूछने हैं। अच्छा, आप डांस करते हैं, ऐसा लगता है कि आपके पूरे ख़ानदान में सिर्फ डांस किया हो लोगों ने। आपके घर वाले में, फैमिली में कोई और भी डांसिंग में इंटरेस्टेड है?
My grand aunt, Hunter Wali Nadia, and Homi Wadia, big icons of the film industry. They were very much into all this, more acting and being movie stars. So I would go on the sets of their films and go and think I'm some big star. So I was always into acting and singing and dancing, and looking at them, it's beautiful.
तो वहाँ से आपका इंस्पिरेशन है। लेकिन आपके पिताजी, आपकी मम्मी, आपके
Mommy, daddy dance, but
सोशल डांस
Yeah, social.
वैसे नहीं, तो
But they're
वैसे
good.
क्या करते हैं?
My father is an educationist. He has his Davos College of Commerce.
Oh yeah, that's a very
Yeah.
famous and very.
And mommy also teaches in the same institution. They're both educationists. Education ka family hai. And I thought I would not do Davos College at least, but I would at least do something like that. And if I don't teach commerce, I'm teaching at least dance. So I'm teaching something.
Sure. The Shamak Davar College of Dance. Let me call your mother and let's talk to her.
Okay.
Please आइए. Welcome. Please, you have to introduce him because we know your mother.
That's Minu, my brother-in-law,
Okay.
who's come all the way down from the States.
From the States,
Yes.
States. Just for the
And
show.
that's my
Well, it worked out that way.
जब इन्होंने ये फैसला किया कि भाई मैं तो डांस करना चाहता हूँ या मैं डांस सिखाना चाहता हूँ, तो देन व्हाट डिड यू फील कि यार ये क्या करने जा रहा है? व्हाट इज दिस लिटिल बॉय ट्राइंग टू डू?
Since he wanted to do something different, we allowed him to do it, provided he finished his graduation,
Which he did. Oh, okay.
Which he did, and then of course then he was on his own,
And now
and with all our blessings and
exceptional.
good wishes.
He's almost as famous as the Dower Institute. and let's see some photographs and then फिर बातें आगे
Oh
करते
my
हैं। यहाँ
God.
तस्वीरें देखिए।
look at my ears.
Hi Shamak, I would have loved to be on the show, but unfortunately I cannot make it. Do you remember the days when we used to go to our granny's house and you used to play on the piano? That showed in the early stage, you know, that you had so much of talent, and especially you used to play by ear. And you also remember how many times you used to go to movies and plays, and you used to come back into the house, into a room, and enact the scenes. And once I remember you telling me that you'll see one day international. That were your words to me, and I used to laugh.
But he's laughing now. That was your brother.
That's my brother Darab.
और वो डावर इंस्टीट्यूट जो है,
Yes.
उसका
He
ध्यान
runs
वो रखता
that, he looks after that.
है। And he looks after the dancing side.
Yes.
उन्होंने भी जिक्र किया, you were also shown, fiddling with the piano.
Yeah, I love playing the piano. I think when I was about 7 or 9 years old, I think I played pianos as to, play the piano, sing. I would make up music. I'd make up songs. I'd sing and make up real rubbish at that time, but I loved it. It was good for me that time. And everyone said, wow, 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 that was really good. So I would get more chad out and play and, you know, go
What
crazy.
lovely rubbish this boy produces. He'll grow up and become somebody very
His
big.
first love was singing.
Was singing.
Yeah,
Singing,
dancing
singing.
was not even in the horizon. I didn't even know what choreography meant. It was more singing and acting and. doing
अभी
all
आपके भाई ने बताया कि आप फिल्में देखकर और ड्रामे देखकर आते थे, घर पे एक्टिंग करके दिखाते थे। आपकी माताजी ने बताया कि आप सिंगिंग बहुत अच्छा करते थे। तस्वीर बता रही थी कि आप पियानो बहुत अच्छा बजाते थे या बजाते थे। और वो आपके जो क्लिप्स देखे हमने डांस परफॉर्मेंसेस के, तो डांस बहुत अच्छा करते हैं। तो मतलब मैं थोड़ा चक्कर खा गया हूँ कि आप सिर्फ ये क्यों करते हैं। वेलकम बैक। शामक डावर से बातें हो रही हैं कि भाई ये बहुत सी चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, बहुत सी जो नहीं करते हैं वो क्यों नहीं करते हैं। लेकिन हम एक काम करते हैं, पहले शुरुआत से बात करते हैं कि भाई जहाँ से इब्तिदा हुई थी, where you started off. Let's see a few flashes of that and then we come back to talking to you. Here we are.
School.
Welcome to the school, Shama. I can imagine the expression on your face when you see me standing in front of school. But let's take a walk around. This is your 9th standard classroom. I wonder if you remember it. It's done up a little bit. And the incident I remember, of course, is with Miss Halagua, which I don't think we can narrate on TV, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. And it happened, I think, in the middle row out there. What I can remember the most is your Air India blue bag that you used to have that never shut, and it had no handle, I think, so you had to hold it at the side always. And you always had it up, and you ate those omelette sandwiches, which you call that pora pav or whatever it was.
In school, कुछ स्टेज वेज पे काम किया था आपने? प्ले में कभी काम किया था?
My first school play, I played the role of a dog called Toto. So all I had to do in the whole show was, that's all I had to do. That was
Sound
it.
bites. Talk
That
about
was it.
sound bites.
That was all it was.
Let me show you that. There's some sound we have got from you. Let's see the picture. Big break, Shamak. And we won't even ask you to describe what she was talking
It was
about.
something.
And what we'll do is, since I don't want to get into what happened with Mrs. Who was that? Halagua.
Yeah.
Okay. Since she said, we'll call somebody who will talk to us about so many good and terrific things
my
that you
God.
did. Please come in.
Oh my God. Naheed. Wow. Oh my God, I don't believe
Hi,
it.
Naheed.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. Please
Naheed,
come
you
here.
come
Arey,
here,
don't
sit.
run away. You are a link to the past of Mr. Shamak Davar. Nice to have you on the show. Naheed, you know Shamak for a long time.
Many years.
Many years. And you know lots of things about Shamak जो हमको नहीं पता. Correct? तो हमको बताइए कि शामक को जब से आप जानती थी और जब शामक इतने या इतने थे और ऑमलेट पाव का शौक रखते थे, तब ये क्या क्या करते थे?
बहुत करते थे. But
You can speak
he
English, don't
had
worry.
this, no, no, he had this strange control on people, animals and birds. The reason I'm
That
saying
leaves
this,
out only the vegetables.
I think so. We had an African grey parrot who was the most staid, seedha sadha bird you can imagine. But the doorbell would ring, Shamak would enter, and this bird would go mad. Mad means really, fluff up his feathers and dance and sing, and then Shamak and he would exchange long kisses, the parrot with his black tongue. We used to feel quite repulsed by it, but Shamak loved this bird.
But was he like a very mischievous young boy?
Yes, he was. My husband also played a lot of building pranks with Shamak in Paradise Apartments, and some of those I don't think I can relate.
Shamak, there is a lot about you that cannot be told in public. मतलब ये काफी मतलब there is something else also that Shamak may not want to say in public today, but I want the person to come and say it. Let the person come. आइए. stand
that
right
surprised
next to
me.
Shamak?
Shall I shift?
Here.
Okay, you stand right next to. Oh, would you
Okay,
like to
next
stand? Tell us all about Shamak. We know that Shamak had a huge soft spot for you.
Well, I did for him, yeah.
Oh, you
He
did too,
started
huh?
me off in my dancing
Okay,
career.
okay.
Shamak used to sit on the, we used to have a building with a tank, water tank, and all the kids would play at the bottom, and Shamak would sit right on the tank with a Coca-Cola bottle, empty, and he would be Billy Joel, sing the night away while all us kids were playing, and we all thought, what is he doing? Little did we know that this boy would become the success that he did. Yeah.
Were you like a person who was seeking attention all the time?
Yeah. Of course I was. I was all that. You know, I wanted to be a star. I was a legend in my living room. I was this huge, I don't know, I thought of myself as larger than life.
Growth is stage by stage. Like you said, it started in the drawing room, then it became the building parameters,
You're right, yeah.
then it became the nightclub, and then it became out to the public. So he's had a nice...
Slow.
Yeah, and he's experienced celebrity in a slow growth, which
लेकिन
is why he's
लेकिन बढ़ता ही
sustained.
चला गया, बढ़ता ही चला गया. वेलकम बैक. शामक दावर से बातें हो रही है. वीडियो कॉन जीना इसी का नाम है. मैं शामक बड़े खुश हो गए, हम भी खुश हो गए जब रेचल मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते दाखिल हो गई. लेकिन शामक बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हो गए. और चूंकि शामक आज हमारे मेहमान हैं और बहुत ख़ास मेहमान हैं, और आज शाम के ये समझ लीजिए कि दूल्हे राजा हैं, तो हमने सोचा दूल्हे राजा की मुस्कुराहट को थोड़ा सा और बड़ा कर देते हैं. एक और बहुत खूबसूरत चेहरा बुलाता हूँ जिसको देख के शामक जो है कितना मुस्कुराते हैं आप देखिएगा. प्लीज़ आइए.
Look at yourself. You haven't changed at all.
Anna, you also know Sham for quite Shamak for
Shamak,
quite some time.
Yeah.
And what is your first memory of Shamak? Like
First
people remember him
memory
on the
of
piano, they
Shamak-
remember him on the tank.
No,
in the
Twinkle
building.
Toes at Studio 29. Dancing is Blues Away. Volcano of Talent.
With Rachel?
No doubt about it. Yes, with
Rukshi.
Rachel, all right. And Rukshi. Yeah. And like I was saying, dancing is Blues Away or whatever. Doing a damn good job of it. Volcano of Talent, ready to erupt. And now an institution in himself.
And also like very interested in showing everybody how good he is.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes. He
You
made
better
it a
watch me, I
point
mean,
to.
if you know what's good for you. वो वाला किस्सा था.
We knew what was good for us. We watched him because he was too darn good. You couldn't miss him.
Absolutely.
I love the praise I'm getting today. It's good.
Yes.
It's nice.
True.
It's a good feeling. I love
शामक
it.
हम शुरुआत ऐसी करते हैं. उसके बाद फिर बराबर
खट,
गिरते
खट,
जाओ.
खट.
जी हाँ जी हाँ जी. अब आप ये बताइए कि शामक आप
Anna.
कोरियोग्राफी में कैसे चले गए? मतलब what prompted you to decide that I want to do choreography or I want to take up dance more seriously? Why didn't you take up acting or singing or
I think-
playing an
I
instrument?
think the main reason I took up singing was not going anywhere, and acting wasn't going. I was too young, probably, you know, for any, and I was not a very good. I didn't speak very good Hindi to do even Hindi pop songs at that time, or even get into Hindi films. I don't think I looked like a Hindi film star to get that in the first place. But
No, we might have a different opinion.
this Babaji knows I love it though. So I started doing, you know, dancing and all these shows and singing. And one very nice lady called Celia Lobo, she said there's a musical called They're Playing Our Song, Neil Simon's musical. Can you choreograph it? I said, no, I'm not choreographing anything. I have no idea how to do this. I'm going to dance that 2-minute piece of a dance. And, you know, if you want, I'll sing. And then she says to me that I have faith in you, you have to do it. And believe me, I was struggling and struggling and struggling. And then in the end, I did the first musical, They're Playing Our Song. And then Alec Badamsi came and all my friends came and then they all, you know.
Let me play you a very nice message of another very nice lady who knows you from quite some days ago. Yahan.
Hi, Shamak. You've come a long way, baby, in the 20 years since we've known each other. When we started back together doing Tommy. I needed dancers back then, only 5. And you, under duress, were taken. You were a flake, and you know it. You were unprompt, you were flaky, you would ask silly questions, and your biggest attribute was your one big high kick. Anyway, we worked together, and after that production, I vowed that I would never work with you again. But then, Alec asked me to choreograph Evita, and I needed 12 dancers instead of 5. So under duress, and with great convincing to Alec, you came on the team. Well, of course, Evita was history.
It was so sweet. That was so sweet.
Let me show you somebody else. He's also going to say something nice about you.
Hey, hi, Shamak. Aha. You know something, Shamak? I've never told you this, but I'm going to tell you on screen.
I'm dead.
Out of all the people that I may have been a mentor to, or helped in some way, whether it's Kabir or Sharon or whoever, you are the one person who has imbibed the most from me and actually translated that into action. And for that I say, and also Coke and Pepsi and God bless you, Shamak. God bless you, really.
Hi, Shama. This is me, the proverbial bad penny, turning up to take away the spotlight from you. Listen, sweetheart, sorry I can't be with you, but you know what? I'm right here sending you great vibes. But listen, there are a few things that I need to sort out with you. Number one, you remember that time when we were on stage in Evita? And there I was in my moment, if I may say so. And you were on stage with me dressed as Che Guevara. And as I turned to you for my cue, you actually said, and I don't know what to say, Shamak. But you know, Shamak, I've got a lot to thank you for. You're one of my dearest friends. You know that. You've seen me on my spiritual path. We both shared each other's bad days, biting our nails, wondering whether we were ever going to make it. And hey, we did.
Shamak, तो देखिए हमने जी आप कुछ कहना चाहते
Just wanted to say
Please.
that the two biggest fans of Shamak are his mother and his sister, Shirin.
Yeah, she used to drive me crazy doing this.
And she sends her, she's my wife, and she sends the best wishes to the show and to Shamak.
Thank you.
Thank you so
On
much.
our behalf and of course on Shamak's
Sharon, if you can
behalf.
hear me, I love you.
शाम देखिए कितने लोग बहुत काबिल लोग मतलब यहाँ सब बैठे हुए हैं वहाँ नज़र आ रहे थे सब ने ये कहा कि भाई आप डांस तो खैर बहुत अच्छा करते थे और कार्ला ने कहा यू ग्रेट हाई किक एंड फिर आपने एक्टिंग अच्छी की आप गाना अच्छा गाते थे फिर अचानक क्या हुआ कि यू डिसाइडेड कि आई वांट टू टेक अप डांस एंड कोरियोग्राफी हाउ डिड दैट कम अबाउट
Well, actually, after the first musical I did, they're playing our song, I choreographed that, and then it didn't look that bad. So then I said, chalo, let's go ahead and do some more musicals. So I did lots of more musicals. I did about 15, 25 musicals. And then there was a very sweet girl called Gauri, who was a student of mine, and she was Shah Rukh Khan's wife. And she was always saying, you know, you should be doing choreography for films. Now, I didn't think I would do films because, I didn't think of my Western jazz style would probably work in films. I thought it was too Western, you know. Yeah, jhatka matka nahi hai, so I said, don't think I'll succeed. And then, of course, when I used to rehearse with her, Shah Rukh would wait outside patiently and, you know, smoke his cigarette and wait for Gauri to come. And then he would keep on saying, you should be choreographing for films, you should be choreographing. So I said, you know, I don't think I can do it. And then he fired me, he said, you're dumb, you're silly, you're mad, you should be doing it. Why are you not doing this? And eventually I did one song for a film, and then it became another song for Dil To Pagal Hai.
Oh yeah.
And that's how it slowly started actually for film.
हमने ये भी जाना था कि you went to London and you did some kind of serious professional
I went to a lot of master classes, open school, evening school, morning school, day school, summer school, everything I did, and learned a lot of new styles. And I actually went there to sing. So I went for a lot of voice workshops, acting workshops. And but there was a class going on inside. So I said, let me see what this is. So I went and did dance class.
Oh.
And that's how I started dancing and learning what they were talking about choreography. I had no idea what it was. And then I brought that to Mumbai.
अच्छा तो जब आप लौट के आए लंदन से तब आपने ये शामक डावर इंस्टीट्यूट
Yes,
वगैरह जो है
yeah.
और वहाँ फिर गौरी आई और
Yeah.
शाहरुख आए और वगैरह
And I started with 7 students, and that's one of my first students who came. That's why I love Night. She's supported me when, you know, nobody, people would make so much fun of me. What is all this dance? Ye jahaz kya hai? Jahaz is ship. Oh, what is it? Kya hai? Jahaz kya hai? So then I really had to say, no, I'm telling you it's something good and I can do it. And then Rachel with me would jive everywhere and show off to the whole world. And also one of my first 7 students. 5 was family and friends, but 2 were only students. Got to do
slowly you went on and taught quite a few
Yeah.
very talented people. यहाँ से देखते हैं उनमें से एक साहब के बारे में.
I remember and I think you do too. We started our careers out at the same time. You taught us jazz ballet. You know, and I still dance with 2 left feet, but that's all right. And I see that you're opening up lots of schools for training new students and all that all over India. All the best for that. Do well in life, man. You're doing well and you're doing good work, and all the best.
That is so sweet.
शामक मतलब लकी ने तो ये कहा है कि भाई डिस्पाइट हिज 2 लेफ्ट फीट आप उनको सिखा रहे थे कि कैसे उनको डांस वांस करना है, लेकिन इनकी क्लास में क्या आप लोगों को मालूम है कि सिर्फ डांस ही नहीं सिखाया जाता, ज़िंदगी में कैसे बसना बसाना है वो भी सिखाया जाता है। यहाँ देखिए ज़रा।
Hi Shamak.
Hi,
Oh my God.
This is Suragini
Nazim,
and we are
married because of you.
okay, husband and wife. हम लोग क्लासेस में मिले थे और अभी नवंबर में ही हमारी शादी हुई है।
शामक का फेवरेट पास टाइम है मैच मेकिंग, लोगों को मिलाना. He loves doing that. Okay, and I always used to crib and say, why are you doing this and why him? And but look, I'm here with him all because of you, and I love you for that. Thank you, Shamak.
And as a parting note, I would like to say we both very firmly believe in our institute's motto:
Have feet, will dance.
वेलकम बैक। वीडियोकॉन जीना इसी का नाम है। में हम देख रहे थे कि शामक जो है लोगों को डांस सिखा रहे थे, गाना सिखा रहे थे, एक्टिंग सिखा रहे थे, शादियां करवा रहे थे, और जैसा कि हमने ऐलान किया था ब्रेक से पहले, अपने अपने एप्लीकेशंस भेजते रहिए। एप्लीकेशंस की खबरें आ रही हैं, शामक जो है तैयार हो रहे हैं। लेकिन तब तक हम एक बात करते हैं। शामक, हैव यू नोटिस्ड कि आप जो भी करते हैं उसमें बहुत सारी जो हैं खूबसूरत औरतें जो हैं उससे जुड़ी हुई रहती हैं। सो ये खबर निकालनी पड़ेगी कि ये किस्मत आप कहाँ से लिखवा के लाए थे। So who wrote that destiny, and then was that what moved you into choreography in films apart from Gauri and Shah Rukh telling you?
I think dance being such a beautiful media, and you know, in the beginning, so many boys don't dance. They feel, you know, in the beginning, I'm talking about, they would be very shy about coming forward. Women, I think, naturally get very into it. They came to classes more, I had more interaction with them, and it was easier for them to pick up and do stuff. So when you have Aishwarya Rai and people like that, you know, dancing and doing what you want, and they do it so beautifully.
Let me have another pretty face coming and talking about you. Please come in.
Oh my God, Parizad! Not that.
Hi, Parizad, how are you?
Oh my God, I don't believe this.
Very well, very, very well.
And you know she's a very good dancer, just let me tell you that. Yeah, she doesn't
And
tell
who
anybody
did
that,
who
but
did
she
we
was
learn
a
from?
very
Who
sweet...
did we learn from? We were in the same ballet class. I've known him since I was a kid.
Yeah.
And we used to go for, I remember my ballet teacher, Tushna Dallas, taking us to Shamak's class for one semester.
Oh my God.
And we were these little ballet girls in our little, you know, leotards and hair in our bun. And all their ballet, his group was very hip and, you know, funky. And his movements moved those pelvic thingies. And I was like, we couldn't do it. We were so prim and proper. And we were like perfect little ballet girls. But I must say that my teacher, you know, he was her student. And now he's this huge star. And he still gives her the same respect. And the same, he's still that student in front of her. And for me, that means so much. He's wonderful.
शामक, जैसा बहुत से लोग जो एक्टिंग क्लासेस में जाते हैं, फिर वहाँ प्रोड्यूसर जाते हैं, भाई आपके यहाँ कोई अच्छा स्टूडेंट आया ये वो, ऐसे बहुत से प्रोड्यूसर डांसिंग क्लासेस में भी ढूंढने जाते होंगे यार, do you have a
Yeah, we have a lot of people.
good pretty face, do you have a nice talented
Well,
young boy?
you know what? It's like this. A lot of people phone me up and say, "Do you have a nice, pretty face or a good-looking guy?" and this and that. So, in fact,
Shamak does like he will. I owe this man the biggest break of my career. He introduced me to Subhash Ghai.
Ah,
Yes,
okay.
so unhone.
this story is very
introduction
cute.
He's so sweet. And
I
he's
told Mr.
very
Subhash
over,
guy,
huh? Very.
I said, I call him Subi because he's like my friend, technician and all that. And Subi, I said, you're talking about you want to find somebody. I said, you know, there's a very pretty girl called Parizad. Yes, she's a Bavi. She's not an Indian film type, but you trust me, she's lovely. You know, just. Now, who is this Shamak? You know, he said, I said, just trust me. Just meet her once.
He met the Bavi.
He met
He
the
met the
Bavi and then
Bavi
she
and the
became a
Bavi
jogger.
बहुत
बहुत
सज्जी
ज्यादा।
है बावी तो
कितनी
बहुत-
मिठी बावी छे.
बहुत
And I
मिठी छे।
Baba में वो मजा ना chair because he's so wonderful. I met him at the airport, and Shamak's always like there was Yash Chopra. We were on the same flight, but you know we had not spoken because I didn't know him at that point. Shamak sees me, says hello, sees him, pulls me to him and says,
Meet
you
the
know,
Bavi.
meet him. Meet her. Perizad. You know she's wonderful. Joggers Park. आपने देखा like. That's the kind of person he's always helping other people, and it's so wonderful. Really, I love you, and this is thank you for everything that you've done for me. Really.
शाम
wonderful.
एक इससे एक जुड़ी हुई बात और पैदा होती है कि आप जैसा डांसर जो है जो ट्रेडिशनल जैसा आपने कहा झटके लटके वाला डांस वांस ज़्यादा नहीं करवाता, तो जब आप फिल्मों के लिए कोरियोग्राफ करते हैं तो डू यू फील लाइक इट रिस्ट्रिक्ट्स यू इन एनी वे?
In the beginning, I had no imagination that I would do this because my movements are very, very different and completely new. So it was a bit frightening in the beginning, but then after Lege Lege and the Jugal Bandi and then I started doing the film Tal, then I got more confident. But I still believe that, the kind of movement I do, even now if I don't do a film and if I do another film, if I do it, I have to do something new and what I'm capable of. But yes, there was a lot of fear that will this work, will this not work, because so much jhatka matka and so much of the typical Hindi film work is not what I was capable of doing.
उससे एक दूसरा सवाल उससे खड़ा होता है कि कोई आदमी जो एक नई चीज़ करता है और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से करता है, तो फिर ये होता है कि भाई वो फलां फिल्म में उसने किया था मैं भी कर लेता हूँ, फिर आपने उसने किया था वो भी कर लेता है, और वो शामक डावर को कोई क्रेडिट नहीं देगा, वो बस अपने चुपचाप ले लेंगे. तो डज दैट हैपन टू यू?
Yes, a lot of people, I get lots of emails, I get a lot of phone calls, I get very nice people phoning up and saying, we just saw this in your show, it's in a movie, and it's done like this, and they've copied your work, and also I say, what can I do? I said, I can't go after them and say, don't copy my work, but in some way I feel flattered they do it. Some way I feel sad sometimes because, I really work hard, and for 5 minutes it does feel a little strange and you feel sad, and then you say, look, God's given me enough, He'll give me more, so it's okay.
Oh, that's an interesting.
But Shamak has started a whole trend. I mean, before Shamak, we didn't have such great choreography, shows.
Dance culture.
Yeah, and shows on, that level of choreography, costumes. I mean, even my ballet school has not been able to live up to that, So he's just started a whole new trend.
If any more pretty women praise Shamak so much, I'm quitting the show.
But I'm really happy here.
Parizad, please can we have you sort of gracing
Thank you,
another
Parizad.
section of our... Oh, yeah. Okay, Shamak, I'm getting a huge complex. आप यहाँ आइए. अब मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं जानबूझ के किसी खूबसूरत लड़की को नहीं बुलाता हूँ, मैं किसी और को बुलाता हूँ. भले वो शामक की तारीफ करे, लेकिन खूबसूरत लड़की तो ना हो. प्लीज आइए.
Nakul, one of my dearest friends.
आइए नकुल साहब.
And she's like my mommy.
आइए. Sir,
Okay,
यहाँ जाइए.
before we start, I need to do something.
हाँ, please go ahead.
This is for.
Oh God.
This is
they
for
do this all the time, and
my
they make.
friend Anosh and me. This is what we
Oh
do.
my
This is our
God.
continuity, and this is too embarrassing.
Is this
They do
out
this all
of
the
deference for
time,
the
right?
teacher, or is this to show how much older he is?
Yeah, they do
No,
all
this
this.
This is for everything actually. Both. Yeah.
ये बताइए कि आप शामक टीचर शामक फ्रेंड को कब से जानते हैं?
I think I met him in 98 end types. उस वक्त मैं मिला था काम के सिलसिले में. उस वक्त कोई बात चली about spirituality. I was reading a book by Deepak Chopra or something. And that's when he just turned, he picked up a set of books and he just handed over to me. And मैंने कहा ठीक है जो भी था books में मैंने पढ़ा उसको समझा. Those books just changed my life completely. पूरी तरह से मेरी ज़िंदगी की तरफ देखने का नज़रिया बदल गया. I had a little problem. I went to him. He said, just get me the photograph of that individual. और photograph दिखाई इसको. He started saying things about that person which nobody else knew but me.
Shamak.
Yes, Shamak. He just saw the photograph and he started speaking. He started saying, okay, this person is this, he has this problem, that problem. सारा कुछ बोलना शुरू हो गया. और I was zapped. I was like just looking at his face, you know, shocked. कि how is he doing this? From then on, like our friendship and you know.
Yeah, I'm a little zapped. शामक, ये क्या मतलब, ये क्या सिलसिला क्या है?
Well, actually, my whole life, I keep on believing my mother, father, you know, they're so wonderful to me. And they always encouraged me with everything. And then I met, in my career, when I was just starting out, a beautiful couple called the Bhavnagris. So the Bhavnagris really, really looked after me, guided me, and they have books called The Laws of the Spirit World.
अभी आप उनके साथ regular touch में हैं?
Yeah, now the gentleman passed away, but she's still there, and she's still looking after me, and she's guiding me, and she's guiding all of us, all my loved ones, and it's wonderful.
आपका election में
नहीं.
Thank you. ये हंगामा बाकी है, लेकिन हंगामे के बाद अगले हफ्ते अपनी मुलाकात बाकी है. अब हंगामा जो हो सो हो.